Hi everybody, it's Andy here looking at the markets. It's currently looking at the Dow Jones. Today we had a down day, and if you look at the intraday time frame, you could tell that the new trend line is in force, and we officially have broken the uptrend that was in place from the 15th of July down here at the lows. So what does this tell for the week going forward? Well, we can see that on the weekly basis, we're still creating this wedge here, and it looks like for the most part it should continue to the downside. Another thing that I'm noticing is that on the daily time frame, we have this 1, 2, 3 in play. Okay, so any rally up into this area, the 11,600 area, will be a shorting opportunity. So as you can see, today's action, we opened and just moved our way lower all day long, and closed at the lows that were set. I think that was last Thursday. Regardless, what we're looking for is to get a rally up into this 586 area, and then go short at that time. So let's take a look at the S&Ps. The S&Ps are starting to roll over as well, and I'm looking for a downside target of 1225. Let's take a look at the Nasdaq. We got the Nasdaq starting to put in a high here, so as it stands, we have a number 1 point of a potential reversal. Let's take a look at the Russell. The Russell got hammered today as well, so that's 2 down days in a row. And let's see if this can actually continue to the downside. The thing about the Russell, though, is that we're creating more of this channel, but you can tell that these previous highs, that 763 is holding so far. So keep an eye out, and be ready to go short on the Russell at a moment's notice. Take a look at the ETFs. Some of the big winners today, we had SKF, which is the financials, the short financial ETF, and nice big up day today. We had a nice move from the open, came down, tested yesterday's highs, and rebounded and just kept going higher. So this is actually looking bullish, breaking some trend line here. SKF is looking bullish to me. Let's take a look at the SDS. SDS is starting to break lower, as you can tell on the daily time frame. So I am looking for this to actually start bouncing here soon to break this trend line that we have in play. Okay, so this current downtrend line will actually looks like we're creating a 1, 2, 3 low. So once we break out of that 65 zone, then the SDS is a buy. Take a look at the QUID. The QUID is looking like it's just moving in a channel here, not doing much at all. But what I would do is buy any pullbacks to this 39 area. Okay, this is looking bullish to me. Starting to make a little rounded bottom here. Look for an upside potential of 47. Here's the ultra short Dow Jones, and this is getting a pop as well. This is the DXD, which is the ultra short Dow 30. Looks like it's actually starting to get ready for a breakout as well. So any pullbacks to $60.70 was a buying opportunity. Taking a look at gold. Gold is starting to create a tiny bounce here. The 8 and the 21 is still bearish, so any rally up into this 80 region is a shorting opportunity. Let's take a look at the USO. USO is down today, but we're still holding these lows at 90. So I think this is actually going to reverse. Who knows how long it'll take, but look how nasty this is. It's trying to put in a bottom. We're broken long-term, medium-term downtrend, and this is actually trying to make its way higher. Let's take a look at the XLE. XLE is taking a hit today. It's trying to hold above that 70 level. Notice that it closed above the 70, so it did try to go below it, but was rejected and came back higher. I'm looking for this to go higher over the next coming weeks to retrace some of the losses that the bulls are incurring. Okay, we have a very key level down here, and if you notice, we're getting some crazy action. We're just waiting for this to break out to the high side. We have a stop loss down here below 70. So once it closes below 70, then we'll actually get out. But otherwise, we're going to stay in this one. Let's take a look at the diamonds. The diamonds are rolling over as well, just like the market. So you're looking to go short here. Any rally up to the 115 to 116 area is a shorting opportunity. Again, with the spiders are looking like they're trying to hold up a little bit better, but it looks like this little trading range is coming to an end here. Okay, so I'm looking for this to go lower. So that's all I got. We're noticing that the options expiration just did that, basically put in some volatility for the market until the options expiration transpired on Friday. Looking for this to continue to the downside, start taking out new lows. So keep in mind that this could fluctuate in this general range from 11,470 to 11,650 or whatever. But we got to start breaking 11,5. We got to break 11,450 on the downside in order to get some more bearish pressure in this market. Okay. So good luck with your trading. Hope it helps. Let me know if you have any questions. If you have any questions, feel free to post them in the forum. I'll be happy to help you. Until next time, we'll catch up to you then. Take care.